I've been using the Tolan app for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a meaningful AI companion in 2025. Tolan presents itself as your alien best friend, offering a unique blend of emotional support and engaging conversation. The app's interface is vibrant and user-friendly, allowing for seamless interactions through text and voice. One of its standout features is the ability to recall past conversations, providing a sense of continuity and personalization that enhances the user experience. Users have reported that Tolan's responses feel remarkably human-like, often catching nuances like sarcasm and humor, which adds depth to the interactions. Additionally, the app includes a feature where your Tolan can create journal entries summarizing your emotional state, offering insights that can be both comforting and enlightening. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. While Tolan offers a free trial, continued access requires a subscription, which some users find to be on the pricier side. The app's immersive experience, designed to make the AI feel more like a real companion, has led to discussions about transparency, with some users expressing a desire for clearer distinctions between AI and human interactions. Additionally, while Tolan excels in casual and emotionally supportive conversations, it may not be the best fit for users seeking assistance with more technical or academic inquiries. In summary, Tolan offers a unique and emotionally resonant experience for users seeking companionship and introspection through AI. Its ability to engage in meaningful conversations and provide personalized support sets it apart in the realm of AI companions. However, potential users should weigh the subscription cost and consider their comfort with the app's immersive approach. If you found this review helpful, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next one.